Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover styling a button. We'll discuss the button states and best practice to set the style of interactive element states. The button element is an interactive graphic control that enables users to trigger an action. The Titan Web Builder has two types of buttons, primary and secondary, and they can be styled differently using the Project Style panel and the Element Style panel. Since the button calls to take action, it is recommended to give users an indication of when they are hovering on the button and when it is pressed. This is the reason why we provide three states for the button: default, hover, and clicked. You can set the font, fill, size, and border to look different per state. Notice that the button is not divided into parts, but simply offers you the style categories to begin with, combined, of course, with the three states. When styling interactive elements, we suggest to follow Titan's best practice for configuring states. Let's say we add a secondary button. Simply open the Element Style panel, and in the default state, give your button its default look: the font, the fill, the border, etc. When you are done, go to the next state, in this case, hover, and click Copy from Default State. Now, make a slight change to create the hover effect. For example, a different fill color. Now continue to the next state, in this case, clicked, and do the same. We'll preview that to see the results. Default, hover, clicked. And that is how it's done.